Hello, I'm Simon Harrison. I'm Welsh National Theatre's inaugural studio director. The studio came into being because the company wanted to explore works in an unpressurized environment, looking at new plays or older plays that have gone under the radar and been somewhat neglected, and to give opportunity to some early stage projects that don't really need the glare of audience scrutiny. So this has been a kind of an idea for some time that Michael Sheen particularly had cherished and wanted to put into practice. And very fortunately, Swansea City Council were able to get behind this project through their shared prosperity funding. It's been really great to kind of invite so many actors into the rooms. We've had something like 70 actors over the last 4 or 5 weeks. 15 writers, 15 directors. We've had observers coming in, people who are interested in the company's work and want to find out a bit more, being able to sit in and watch what we do. So it's been, a lovely experience bringing together the Welsh theatre community and just seeing the buzz of creativity within this lovely building in Swansea, the Swansea Civic Centre.